for race 6. It's post time. The gate swings round the turn from the rail out. Rambling Lily, Alan Jones, General Lucky Percy, Ron Matheson. Stay Out of My Affair, Jason Hughes. For All We Know, Gilberto. Rose Valley, Mike Campbell, Andromati, Mark Haig. Dirt Track Mama, Dale Spence, and Veronica Vermillion, Neil Bambrick. Here they come. Go time! They're off from the outside. Andromati to the front. General Lucky Percy on the inside. Battles that leader. Stay Out of My Affair gets away in third. Rambling Lily now looking at it from fourth as they battle on the front end. Coming away with the top spot. That is General Lucky Percy, and closing that gap from third, that was Stay Out of My Affair. Caught out on a limb now, that is Andromati. The first quarter is up. General Lucky Percy was passed there in 28 3/5. Now racing in fourth, Rambling Lily, looking at it from fifth, that's For All We Know. Rose Valley racing in sixth, Dirt Track Mama in seventh. Veronica Vermillion trails this field early, and going off stride round that turn, that was For All We Know. They battle on for that lead. On the outside, Andromati, General Lucky Percy on the inside as they make the way past the half in 58 3/5. Stay Out of My Affair getting the good trip from third. Racing in fourth, Rambling Lily. Up on the outside, Dirt Track Mama. Now second over in fourth. Fifth on the inside, Rambling Lily. Then comes Rose Valley, Veronica Vermillion. And after the break, it's For All We Know down the backstretch. General Lucky Percy trying to go all the way for Matheson. Up on the outside, as they go past the three quarters in 1:29 3. That is Dirt Track Mama up on the inside, and will need racing room. That's the Blue Knight and Stay Out of My Affair. It's General Lucky Percy taking this field off the turn and down the stretch for home. To the inside, there goes Stay Out of My Affair. Rose Valley in the middle of the track. Stay Out of My Affair. General Lucky Percy, Stay Out of My Affair, and the Blue Knight, Jason Hughes, to win it. Finishing second, General Lucky Percy. Rambling Lily will be 3. Time for the mile, 1:59 2.